Hey everybody, I am here at Unplug Soy Candles in Fishers, Indiana, and I'm here with the lovely Jessica.
So one of the most popular things with the community right now is our private pouring parties and then our open pouring hours. So we offer all of the community members to come in, pick a candle off of our wall. We have our vessel wall and we have over 75 vessels.
It is incredible.
Yeah, so we try to have a little bit of something for everybody, whether their style is more farmhouse or more like mid-century modern.
Yes.
So there's a candle that's not only going to look good, but it's going to smell even better. Yeah, with the parties, they're welcome to bring in any kind of wine, beer, charcuterie, whatever you guys want. Cupcakes, you have a lot of littler parties that come in. They bring their cupcakes and gifts and everything. It's a really fun time.
So fun. Okay. And then half of their store is retail. So you can also come in if you have, a birthday party or a gift coming up, Mother's Day.
Right. Big candle holiday.
Yeah. And you have this really neat basket creating station, which is very unique.
A lot of the gifts we offer are also from local makers, so other people in Indy and the surrounding states. We try to bring in a lot of local so that we're giving back to our local community and small businesses.
What do you do when the candle runs out?
Yeah, so with us, kind of as a way to recycle your vessel, a lot of them make excellent planters, but you can also clean it out with a little bit of hot water and a dab of Dawn dish soap, and then bring it back to us and you'll get 20% off to refill it. So you can refill it in the same fragrance if you want to have your signature scent, or you can refill it in a different fragrance.
We were so excited to bring to you another wonderful community business, Unplug Soy Candles in Fishers, Indiana. You really should stop by. If you're interested in learning more about our community here in Indianapolis and the surrounding area, follow us on YouTube or Facebook at TeamEndicott. And if you want to transition to Indianapolis yourself and are looking for a wonderful real estate team, look no further than Team Endicott, and you can learn more about us, TeamEndicott.com.